Hola amigos, buenas tardes. Les saluda su amiga Elizabeth Madrid. Seguimos aquí en Tech Town, Detroit, en el Pulse of the Town, que es un evento anual organizado por Tech Town y celebra la innovación y el emprendimiento aquí en la ciudad de Detroit. Esta celebración se conecta con empresarios, inversores y líderes comunitarios para reconocer y apoyar a los emprendedores que están impulsando el crecimiento económico de Detroit. Ahora nos encontramos con Evagenomics. Millones de personas luchan con enfermedades no diagnosticadas, muchas de ellas con causas genéticas. ¿Has consultado a médicos? ¿Has probado tratamientos y aún no tienes respuestas? En Evagenomics creen que nadie debe pasar años buscando explicación a sus problemas de salud mediante la secuenciación de genoma completo y la tecnología de inteligencia artificial nos ayudarán a explorar si sus síntomas podrían tener una conexión genética, brindándole una orientación más clara para las conversaciones con su profesional de salud. Y ahora nos encontramos. What is your name, my friend?
I am Daria. Hi, hola.
Daria. Ok, Daria. ¿Cuál es la forma en que funciona Evagenomics? Que los síntomas a las respuestas en 4 sencillos pasos. What is the steps for Evagenomics? Yes. Number 1 is answering questions and completing a guided appointment questionnaire.
Yes, we do have symptom checker application, and everyone can reach out the symptom checker application from our website and go in there. It's for free to use, and everyone can play with it and answer a bunch of questions about their health problems. So this is how it starts.
Yes. DNA steps number 2, DNA collection using your home saliva process in a certificate laboratory.
Yes, I mean after you answer the questions from the symptom checker application, at the end of the questionnaire you will be able to see which diseases you might have. But these are only assumptions. If you want to make sure you really have those diseases or not, or something different, you can order our saliva kit, and we will directly ship our saliva kit to your home, and after you provide the sample you can send it back to our laboratory.
Sí, fue la recolección en el paso número 2 utilizando su kit de saliva casero procesado en un laboratorio certificado. El paso número 3 son el análisis. Con la tecnología artificial analiza su ADN en busca de posibles conexiones con sus síntomas. Yes, step number 3 is analysis your DNA for possible connections to your symptoms.
Yes, we are, after you provide your sample, saliva sample, we are analyzing your whole genomic data, whole DNA data, and use your symptom, answer symptoms, and prioritize some pathogenic genes from your DNA and give you a report.
Yes, y en el paso número 4, obteniendo su informe, recibiendo información clara y personalizada que puede discutir con su médico. ¿Verdad? Step number 4, getting your report, receiving information where you can discuss with the doctor.
Yes, if we find pathogenic mutation, pathogenic result from your DNA, we will give you a report with the questions to ask your doctor. And we will make sure this is not a diagnosing, this is only a good step to start your diagnosing journey.
Yes. Ok, y también la pregunta, ¿verdad? ¿Cuál es el propósito de un análisis genético y cómo puede ayudarme a entender mi salud? What is the purpose of genetic testing? And who can help me understand my health?
The purpose of genetic testing is like sometimes if you have unexplained symptoms for a really long time, if you are going to doctors, trying different clinical tests, trying different medications, but still no answers. So your problem can be genetic. But somehow genetic testing is not part of healthcare right now. So that's why we started Evagenomics. We do your genetic testing at the beginning of your symptoms, and we give you a results so we can keep your diagnosing journey focused and shorter.
Okay, your name is Daria.
Daria.
Daria. Ok, Daria, ¿qué tipo de información genética se puede obtener a través de un análisis de ADN? What type of genetic information can be obtained through ADN analysis?
We will not say that the genetic mutations, genetic testing results are diagnosing. So it doesn't mean that you have that mutation. It doesn't mean that you have the diseases. But that's why we are doing this symptom-specific way. So if you started to show the symptoms, at that moment we are doing the genetic testing, and we can tell you what might the cause of your symptoms.
Yes. ¿Cómo se relacionan los genes con ciertas enfermedades o condiciones de salud? How do the genes relate to certain diseases or health conditions?
So on DNA, on our DNA, genes are responsible for our enzyme and protein production, and they are regulating our whole system. So if there is something wrong on our DNA and they don't produce the protein or enzyme, and it affects all the system one by one, and it can cause you, so you can feel it as a disease.
Yes. Ok, ¿qué tipo de pruebas genéticas están disponibles para detectar enfermedades hereditarias? What types of genetic tests are available to detect hereditary diseases?
What type of genetic tests? So we are doing whole genome sequencing. So there are also like panels. Panels mean they only scan a few genes about your symptoms, or there are like specific one or two gene screening. So these are like limited gene tests, but we are doing whole genome sequencing different than others.
¿Cómo se interpretan los resultados de una prueba genética? How to interpret the results of a genetic test?
So, like I said before, genetic testing result, it's not diagnosing. So you need to go to your doctor and share the report we gave you. So it's only like a good step to start your diagnosing journey. It can prevent you from misdiagnosis, mistreatments, long time undiagnosing journey. So we can like prevent you from all of that.
Right. What are the implications if I have a positive or negative result on a genetic test? ¿Qué implicaciones tiene un resultado positivo o negativo en una prueba genética?
So if you have positive results, you can focus on that result, and you can just understand what's missing on your body, what's wrong on your body, and you can use the right medication on that result. But if you get the negative result, it's still good. So you understand that your problem is not genetic, and you can eliminate that option from your diagnosing journey.
Okay. Who genes relate to diseases such as diabetes or Alzheimer? ¿Cómo se relacionan los genes con enfermedades como la diabetes o la enfermedad de Alzheimer?
Yes, genes are related to many diseases. So they can be cause of Alzheimer's, they can be cause of diabetes, they can be like autism or autoimmune diseases, cancer. So they can be cause of any of the diseases.
Sure. Okay, también es what role does genetics play in the response to certain medications? ¿Qué papel juega la genética en la respuesta a ciertos medicamentos?
So if you detect any mutation, any problem on your genes, for example, we found that your insulin production gene has a problem, has a mutation, and you can get insulin to fill that gap.
Okay. Who can I use genetic information to prevent or treat diseases? ¿Cómo puedo utilizar la información genética para prevenir o tratar enfermedades?
To prevent it, you can change your lifestyle, and you will know how to live with it. We also provide you what are the next step So what are the resources you can connect with?
Wow. Okay, what is the genetic counseling and who can help me understand my risk for disease? ¿Qué es el asesoramiento genético? ¿Cómo puede ayudarme a entender mi riesgo de enfermedades?
So genetic counselors are helping you to understand the genetic results, genetic reports, you have family histories and everything. So we do have also a connection with the genetic counselors on our app.
Right. Who can I get genetic counseling for myself or a family member? ¿Cómo puedo obtener asesoramiento genético para mí o un familiar?
From our Eva Circle networking ecosystem app, you can always find genetic counselors right for you.
Okay. This is diagnosis? ¿Esto es un diagnóstico?
Genetic testing is not diagnosing. It's like first step. It's the good step to start your diagnosing journey. So we will try to helping you keep your diagnosing time shorter and focused.
Yes. Where is my data protected? ¿Cómo se protegen mis datos?
So it's very important for us. We are HIPAA compliant, and also we are not using your name with anyone. So we are assigning you an ID number, and we are using your ID number for everything.
Hey, thank you. What conditions can I help Evagenomics explore? ¿Qué condiciones puede ayudar Evagenomics a explorar?
Yes, Evagenomics can help you explore, understand your health issues, such as your kid might have like eye contact difficulties or like speech difficulties. Maybe they have some like autism spectrum disorder, or maybe if you have constant headaches, chronic headaches, it can be part of bigger picture. So this kind of questions you can find the answers at Evagenomics.
Thank you for your questions and many questions.
Yeah, it's okay.
How long does the process? ¿Cuánto tiempo dura el proceso?
After you order the saliva kit, we will send you a saliva kit to your addresses immediately. And after you provide your saliva sample and send it back to our laboratory, and since our laboratory received your sample, it will take only 1.5 months to get the results.
Yeah, thank you. Who can use Evagenomics? ¿Quién puede utilizar Evagenomics?
Everyone can use
Everyone.
Yes.
The children can be tested?
Yes, exactly. As long as they can provide the saliva.
Right.
Yes.
Se pueden realizar pruebas los niños también. What if the report shows something worrying? ¿Qué pasa si el informe muestra algo preocupante?
First of all, we will not analyze every part of your DNA. We will only analyze the part of your symptoms related to it. So, for example, if your symptoms are headache, we are not analyzing cancer genes. So it's very important for us. We are not giving you the results unless you ask us to. And if you get positive results based on your symptoms, it's not worrying. It's just it's an answer for your journey, for your health.
Okay. I need a doctor's order or insurance. ¿Necesito una orden médica o un seguro?
You don't need insurance hurdles, you don't need doctor's wait lists, so you can directly order from our website.
Yes, that's my question. How much do they cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
It's right now $9.99. Once you get the saliva kit, you can always request for reanalyzing for different symptom sets.
Okay. Can Evagenomics help me if I already have a diagnosis? ¿Puede Evagenomics ayudarme si ya tengo un diagnóstico?
It's also helpful. For example, if your kid's diagnosed with autism and the sibling also showing the similar symptoms, so it's very much likely it's genetic. So genetic testing helping everyone to understand everything earlier, health problems earlier.
Thank you so much. Where can we count? ¿Dónde podemos contactarlos? Telephone number or...
So we have website, evagenomics.com. You can always get in and play with our symptom checker application and order the saliva.
Bueno amigos, pues seguimos aquí, ¿verdad? En Techtown Detroit celebrando. Y bueno, yo quiero compartirles que estuvimos con Evagenomics. Millones de personas luchan con enfermedades no diagnosticadas, muchas de ellas con causa genética. ¿Has consultado médicos? ¿Has probado tratamientos y no tienes respuesta? Ven a Evagenomics. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Les saluda su amiga Elizabeth Madrid desde Hombro a Hombro Michigan Experience y mi amiga,
Yeah.
¿what's your name?
Daria, muchas gracias.
Daria. Ay, your Spanish is funny. Bye bye amigos, quédense con nosotros, seguimos con más.